back to your channel. Yeah, it is your channel. So today I am participating in a collab hosted by my beautiful sister Kimberly Davis of Diva Designing on a Dime. So what she asked of us who are participating is to go through our homes and look at some of the things we no longer want and perhaps no longer need, and to give a description of the category we're putting them in. For example, are we going to give them away? Are we selling them? Are we donating them to maybe charity, etc., etc.? So, yeah, let's get started. Now, I really like this collab because it really is sort of helping me out to get rid of some of my things that I have been trying to get rid of from before. Now, these two, which is so lovely, these candle holders, they're quite heavy as well. This part is glass and this part here is metal. So I got these some time ago from TJ Maxx, and for some reason, well, you ladies know when we don't want something anymore. So I just don't want these anymore. That's it. So I am selling them, and for the pair is $13. So you're going to get these two for $13. So if you are in the New York City area and you're watching this video, my contact information will be listed in the description box and we can meet up. The thing is, I will not be able to mail anything to anyone because the price is so cheap that it will cost me almost what I'm asking for. So yeah, so very nice for the fall, and the fact that Christmas is coming up, this would really look nice on your mantle. If you have a mantle, this will look nice on that. So yeah, $13. And the next thing I have this wonderful picture frame. And if you're into traditional styling and so forth, this will be ideal. If you have just gotten married and you've gotten your photographs back, and you're looking for something in this traditional style of a picture frame, you can have this, and it's heavy too, guys. You can have this for $5. I'm selling this, yeah. So I'll bring it up to the camera a little bit more, and on the back, let me show you the back. Here is how you can hang it. Let me just turn this around. Okay, so you could hang it this way, okay, which is vertical. You can hang it this way because there's the hook back here, or you could hang it vertically because there's the hook right there. So you could hang it this way, either horizontal or vertical, whichever your choice. And it is heavy. Believe me, it's heavy. It's really nice. But this is not my style. You know how you see something and it's pretty and you just grab it up and you say, oh, that looks nice. But then you get it home and you say, no, I knew that didn't go with my style, but I thought I would buy it and use it anyway. You know how we ladies do. We do it all the time. That's what we do. Okay, I have 2 of these decorative pieces, and I am letting them go for $14 for the pair, because it's a pair. It's not one or the other. They are married to each other. So yeah, $14 for these 2 items. And if you're decorating your home now for the fall, these are ideal colors for the fall. Yeah, this is glass. So if you want to know what it is, it's glass. And it was made, of course, you know where it was made. China. So, okay. The next item that I have, and I'm giving this away. And this item is quite heavy. What it is a radio. It is working. It's by Magnavox. It is working and everything is working, and I'm just giving it away because I want to get rid of it because the space that it's taking up, I've got other plans for that space and something to do. So these are the speakers, and they're really good speakers too. These are the speakers. And it's 2 of them. So this is speaker number 1. And let me see if I can pick up the radio itself. It's a little bit heavy. So, let's see, it plays CDs, and it also, I think, plays tapes, and it has, well, FM and AM frequencies. So, yeah. So here it is, guys. All for free. You just have to come and pick it up. So again, I'll have my information in the description box below, and you can get in touch with me, and it's all yours. It's for free. Okay, so I think we're going to end what I am purging of. I know I had some other things that possibly I want to give away. However, I really need to look at them real good and make a decision, and for me to make this video so that I can upload it today onto the playlist. I could not make that decision just right now, so I figured, let me just show you some of the things that I have that I really want to give away like right now. Just get rid of them and get them out of here, so that the other things I could take my time and go through those, to say, yeah. So on that note, guys, thank you so much for joining and watching, and I appreciate you guys so much. All my subscribers, unsubscribers, people that just stop by and peek and look, but become a subscriber, because you never know what surprises that are going to be on my channel. So thank you again. Don't forget to hit that bell and subscribe, so that you'll always get all the information when I have uploaded a fresh new video. So on that note, guys, again, thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you on